Okay, everyone, I'm on Luckakuck, and beside is the freeway, and we are looking at the McDonald's on Luckakuck, and wow, this is looking so good. The construction fence is now down. All right, so let's go down the sidewalk here. Oh, they got a new sidewalk on the other side as well. Wow, that's long overdue too. All right, let's go down further and see what is new and what isn't. All right, we walk down just a little bit here, and just a little bit of humor here. I see that McDonald's has outdoor plumbing, pink for the ladies. And just off to the left, they have the gray one for the men. They are thinking outside the box here. In this case, outside the store. Like I said, that's just temporary. I thought I'd add that in there for some humor. They are very close to opening. Wow, we are days away, I'm sure. All right, let's go further down, have a different look. Oh, before I forget, let me just zoom in on here. This area right here is the west side of the building, and that is where the play place is, right there. So let's go down the street and then let's check things out here. Alright, I didn't walk down too far, but they're still doing a lot of little touch-up things. Lighting, you name it. I see that the lines are in the parking lot now. There's still some lighting that has to be installed. But all the construction poles and things are all gone now. Landscapers are coming in here doing their thing. Wow. This is looking so nice. Man, oh man. So let's just zoom in a little bit. It doesn't look like it's a very big McDonald's, but it does say a McCafe, so I'm assuming that it's not a full-blown McDonald's like we saw in past days. Drive-thru is the thing now. Get you in, get you out. But yep, definitely looking really good. All right, let's go walking further down. Looking down Luckakuck. You can see the landscapers there doing their job. Wow, looking pretty darn good if you ask me. And it looks really nice at nighttime as well. Parking is better. Entry from and exiting off of Luckakuck into McDonald's is better, and out of McDonald's is better. The sight line is better. No hump to look around. I think this is just overall better. Way better. Yeah. Oh, nice. A lot of cars traveling by me here. Not much I can do about that. But like I said, looking pretty good. Well, let's go down a little bit further and have a look at the drive-through area. We're down at the entryway to the drive-through or to the parking lot. If I zoom in a little bit more, you'll see that just past that little digger, the drive-through goes off to the right and to the left. Now, somebody had mentioned about being able to get a small truck in there. Those drive-through signs, one of them is pulled out of the way. I'm sure that they're high enough that you can get not a big truck through there, but a good-sized one. I think it's much more improved, but I could be wrong. I could be wrong. But yep, definitely taking shape. Definitely. Looking down Luckakuck here, heading west. You can see the sight line is so much better for pulling in and out of the street here. Wow, just better all the way around. Mandarin Gardens, the buffet beside here, McDonald's, Luckakuck. Wow, just so much better. So much better. Wow. Alright folks, that's about it for the McDonald's. I don't have a date on when it's opening, but my guess is that we're looking at any day. Any day. Wow. I should come back at nighttime and see what it looks like at nighttime. Wow. Alright gang, have a great day. Thanks for watching my video. Pass them around if you want to. Alright. Everybody in these cars looking at me, wondering what I'm doing. Okay, bye-bye.